Hey everyone, this is Ryan with Giant Loop. I'm here to give you a review of our 2020 model MoJavi. So I have the MoJavi here on a dirt bike, but it would be the very similar fitment to dual sports dirt bikes. Many years, many brands, many styles. So this is a general fitment. First and foremost, your lower mounting straps. I have it wrapped around the main frame here. You can also go here, and on some bikes, the subframe is covered here, but there'll be an opening. You can actually strap this right around the subframe. The goal is to have the shortest strap possible and also in line with how it's sewn into the bag. So you don't want the strap really too far here or too far down there. It'll pull the bag in a weird way. So lots of webbing there, haven't cut it yet. That applies to the left and right side. Obviously with the right side, on most bikes, you have to be cautious of the exhaust. So you want a few millimeters of space at least. But the great thing about our ballistic webbing is that it doesn't stretch or slip when it's wet. So that's one of the awesome things about this stiffer webbing that we use for lower mounting straps. Now on the rear, for 2020, we updated our mounting system, and instead of having Velcro straps with fender hooks, we've included a 25-inch Pronghorn strap and 2 individual hooks. Certain bikes, you'll use a Pronghorn strap to a tail rack. Certain bikes where the fender will allow, you'll use the Pronghorn and the fender hooks. So I have that strap loose on both sides. I have this hooked here. So many years, many bikes, many brands will work with our fender hooks. Some don't. So we have a fit list on our site. You can always give us a call. We can tell you more specifically what works. So the goal of this Pronghorn strap addition was to add more tension to the fender hook so that there's less chance of it popping off. And also it makes it quicker on and off so you don't have to deal with Velcro. So pull that tight. It's a 25-inch long, plenty of extra, wrap the end of it up, cut it off. You do whatever you have to do for your bike. So I have it set just behind the seat. That's the goal. All right, tension there. And as you tighten this, it's gonna pull the bag a little bit forward. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to yank it tight. Give it some, snug pull. Bam. That's tight. That's not going anywhere. It's pulled the bag a little bit under the seat. Some bikes it'll go under, some it'll end. Just depends on the bike you have. So generally, right here is the best fitment. Strap isn't cut on this bike, cut it to size, or we have strap keepers where you can fold the strap up and slide it in there. But generally, you have one option there on some bikes, 2, 3, 4 in that zone, and that applies to both sides. Generally, bikes are about the same for the left and the right, and the Pronghorn strap method. Now, for those bikes that don't have fender hooks, or if you do not want to use fender hooks, and you have one of our Giant Loop tail racks, so the strap can go on top, you can slide the strap underneath, and this is a great anchor point to have on the bike, and the saddlebag sits on here, and you use the included strap it on there. For the most minimal setup, if you wanted to just mount the saddlebag on your bike and you wanted a minimal platform, minimal weight, minimal cost, you can use our Footman's Loop anchor kit. So the concept is basically bag sits on there, this goes through the bag and you tighten it just like this. You'll see the bag has 2 pass-throughs. So there's a pass-through here, a pass-through there. The great thing is you saw me pop it off, pop the hooks off, super fast. Loosen that on both sides. And the bag's off. So we wanted to increase the usability of it, also the tension in the rear, the reliability by adding the Pronghorn strap. So look for these products for this bag. The MoJavi and the Coyote use the same mounting method. The Coyote mounting strap is on the inside when you go inside the roll top. This version will be available in the middle of 2020. So go out to your local store or giantloopmoto.com and check one of these out. Thank you.